Did you know that you can earn up to $860 per day just by using Google Sites? You are probably using these Google Sites, but you just need to learn how to use them to earn money, so make sure to stick with me until the end of it to find out how this is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $860 per day from Google Sites. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and you can start making money just by using some Google Sites. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to X Finance, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from this method. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called ClickBank. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. ClickBank is a website that can offer you to promote any product in any industry. You just need to make sure that ClickBank is available in your country. But don't worry if it is not. I've got some alternatives which you can use instead of ClickBank. Unfortunately, ClickBank is not available in my country either, so I have to use another affiliate website. The best alternative which you can use, and I will use as well, is called Digistore24. As you can see when you come to Digistore24, it says more sales, less work. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliate network, all common payment methods and accounting automation, including tax automation. We will use this website and we will use my method that will allow you to get over 50 sales on your first day of selling affiliate products of this website. You will just get an affiliate link from this website and you will need to share it. Whenever someone buys from that affiliate link, you will receive a commission and earn money from it. My method will allow you to share your link to a huge audience for free and earn money on your first day. Now all you need to do on this page is just to click on this button that says Start Now. It is free to sign up. It will open you this page where you need to fill out all the required information in order to open your brand new account on this website. You have to enter everything here, from your name, email, password, address, contact number, country, and other information. Then you need to check this box and you can click on this Register for Free Now button in order to open your new account on this website. Now, before I show you how you can use this website and can start making money immediately, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips.
If you like, comment and subscribe the video of this channel and send this video to 50 people along with it, then you can be the lucky winner of this video, which will get $10 from my side. Thanks for watching full video.